Hi, I'm Jeremy Yampolsky,
And I am Brian Yampolsky,
and this is Breaking Down the Mortgage.
because we're mortgage brokers.
We saw a quote the other day that piqued our interest. It said that sellers are living 6 to 12 months in the past, and buyers are living 6 to 12 months in the future. What exactly does that mean?
That's an interesting quote. I think what it means is sellers are living in a market that used to be. And if you think about what the market was like 6 or 12 months ago, if you were selling your house, you could sell it easy and fast. You could sell it above list price. You could expect multiple offers. And just bottom line, buyers were a little more desperate back then. So it was a really good time to sell your house. Now, what buyers are doing when they're thinking about hoping for a better market is they're hoping that interest rates are going to drop, or they're hoping that home values are going to drop so that they can buy at the right time.
So, when would be the best time for someone to buy or sell their home? It would be whenever they need to. And a couple examples of this would be they have a growing family, so they need to buy a bigger house. The opposite, their kids are off away at school and they're thinking about downsizing, or maybe they're just moving across town for work to be closer to family or for whatever other reason.
So there is a lot of fear in buyers' minds right now. They don't want to buy at the wrong time. But let's talk about what happens if you buy and interest rates drop and you think, oh my God, I bought and my rate's 6 or 7%, and now rates are lower. Well, you're not going to be married to that rate forever. If rates drop to 4 or 5%, you can always refinance in a year or two if that becomes available. Now, if you buy and rates go up, you're going to be really happy that you bought when you did. Let's talk about the other side of the equation. If you buy and property values drop, well, yeah, that's a bummer. But keep this in mind. Home values go up and down, up and down. But over time, home values trend upwards. So if you're in it for the long haul, which if you're buying a house, you're probably in it for the long haul, don't stress about whether or not the timing is right. In fact, I can't tell you how many friends I have who say, I wish I would have bought that property for $200,000 20 years ago because now it's selling for
So
600,000.
the message is clear. We can't predict the future, we can't time the market. So when you're ready to buy a house, you do you.
And then call us. Thanks.